Neatly organize and display your non-rack mountable equipment in your rack or cabinet with a NavePoint cantilever shelf. Our cantilever shelves have an attractive black powder coat finish that protects from rust and corrosion and are manufactured using a high-quality cold-rolled steel. Our cantilever shelves come in a variety of depths from 5 inches to 20 inches and with heights that will occupy either 1, 2, or 3 units of rack space. All NavePoint cantilever shelves are EIA, ECA 310E compliant and are guaranteed to fit your 19-inch rack or enclosure. NavePoint cantilever shelves can be used to add storage in both 2-post and 4-post racks. Additionally, 2 shelves can be installed back-to-back in a 2-post rack to serve as an extra deep shelf. NavePoint cantilever shelves are made strong with weight capacities ranging from 55 pounds to 132 pounds. NavePoint offers both vented shelves for additional cooling of equipment and non-vented shelves. NavePoint carries cantilever shelves that feature a lip to keep your equipment from sliding off the shelf. NavePoint also carries a completely flat version with no lip that allows for equipment to overhang. All of our cantilever shelves include mounting hardware, allowing you to easily mount your shelf to a rack or enclosure. Get free shipping when you purchase your networking equipment and accessories at NavePoint.com, providing premium quality, value, and service excellence. NavePoint.com.